Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Word Chapter 3 Simulation Training and on Exercise 3. So open the Word Chapter 3. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So what chapter 3 simulation training hand on exercise 3, click the launch. So open the word chapter 3. So total question is 4 and we move to the question number 1. Start a letter, mail merge and use the sheet 1 to paste Excel files in the data source. So start a letters and mailing. Go to the mailing tabs and click the start a mailing and click the letters, and next is select the recipe using the existing worksheets and click the open and click OK, and next is click the edit the reception list in the start a mail merge group and select the registered data source and click the edit. So click the edit the recipe list and click the edit, and next is add the new entry to data source. The title is Misters, and press tab button and type the following information in the appropriate fields. The pressing tab to move from the fields robots comp and insurance, and press tab buttons and leave the address blanks the neighbors, and press tab button, type the next two fields and click OK. Update the recipe list and click OK. So type the misters and press tab button, and next is type the robot and next is Cobb, and next is to the remote insurance, and next press tab button and RT.19 and press tab button. So click the new entry and type the Mr. Press tab button and type the robots and press tab button and Cobb and press tab buttons and insurance and press tab button button 19, press tab button and press tab to leave the address to and blank and type the neighbors and press tab, and next is to any and press tab and value is to 68 8 11 and click OK. And click the next to the next two fields. So click the edit the spell list and click the sort, and next is to sort by city. So sort by city, and next is then by last name, and click OK, and again OK. So question number 2 is complete, and we move to the question number 3. So press enter and next is 2016 first line of the document. Press enter again, and insert the address block accepting all default settings. So click the address the block and click OK, and press enter and insert the greeting line accepting all default settings, and click the greeting lines and accept the all default settings. Click OK and preview the results. So click the preview results, and next is select the address block from the reception named through the lines space to the city and states. Click the layout tabs and change the paragraph spacing after 20 points. Select the address block. So select the address block and recipe name through line the is sending the city and state, and click the layout tabs. So go to the layout tabs and change the paragraph spacing after 0. So question number 3 is complete.